So, the aim of this experiment is to estimate the amount of protein. Principle: the compounds containing peptide bond, they will react with the copper of biuret reagent, they will form a complex. Now the principle is this, that peptide will react with copper and form the deep purple complex. Now the requirements are the reagents: sodium standard protein solution, that is BSA. Apart from that, we need biuret reagent, normal glasswares are required, and equipment, that is colorimeter, for measuring the absorbance. That will be required for the experiment. Moving ahead, the procedure. Again, we are going to make the different concentration solutions, standard BSA. For that, we will pipette out in the series. Then blank is also prepared, and unknown solution will also be prepared in the tubes. So for that, we will maintain it up to 1 ml with distilled water. Nextly, after keeping everything, all these in the tubes, in the test tubes, we will add the biuret reagent. So firstly, we will start our experiment, in which we have arranged all the tubes containing 0.2 ml, 0.4 ml, 0.6 ml, and 0.8 ml, and 1.0 ml of standard protein solution, that is, we have put in the tubes. Now these tubes are marked, and now we are putting all the BSA standard protein solution in these tubes. Unknown protein solutions, that will also be taken. 2 samples of unknown protein solution we are taking, like unknown 1 and unknown 2. After this, we will maintain the solution up to 1 ml. So each tube is having 1 ml of solution. Then we will add the biuret reagent. So we will add 4 ml of biuret reagent to all the tubes. So what will happen? All the tubes will have the 5 ml solution. So here we can see blank is having 1 ml of distilled water only, then 0.2, then 0.4, then 0.6, then 0.8, then 1.0 ml of standard protein solution, in which we are adding biuret reagent. Then 1 ml of unknown strength protein solution, in which again we will add biuret reagent. So all the tubes will be having 5 ml of solution. After doing this, we will keep it for incubation at room temperature for 30 minutes. So now the tubes are kept, during which the reaction will take place, and the peptide bond of protein, they will react with the copper of the biuret reagent and give the purple complex. Here we can see the more brighter color will be proportional to the more number of peptide bonds in the solution. Now each tube we will transfer content of each tube, like we will start with blank, then 0.2, 4, 6, 0.81 unknown to the cuvette, and then we will start taking absorbance. We'll fix it at 0, 0 reading with the blank, then we will start with the different concentrations, and we will take the readings with colorimeter. Like this, we will taking the readings, and after taking all the readings for all the known and unknown concentration solution, we will plot a standard graph. Again, x-axis will be the concentration and y will be the absorbance. Now we will get the value of unknown by extrapolating the graph. This way we are going to get our standard curve, and we can make the observation table, and the result will be the concentration of unknown solution is this one.